Emma Limpa vulnerable.
And I'm making.
When you talk of exemptions, Emma we are vulnerable. Anybody else say ye shemra na se wono ye use in China. Yes, even though it's a privilege, but when you say Emma we are vulnerable, it will be extra cautious. And that's extra careful. It's say you use in chance anwa. Emma will trim you out there one year. Yeah, well, the higher you go, the vulnerable you become.
Yeah.
As a walk no, unya to me na walk no. I said the David or Henry David or Okojina Bansoro na otin in here from na who Babia or Ojare na akonobe shenimu enim de be ekwie no kofo ba no kun ni kunu de enim asotwe a ba no so the higher you go we are vulnerable,
right?
And unti se mamo exemptions are I was say ye na yen abuse exemptions no, just as the law is saying and the regulation is saying. Say a woman say ya mamo sa exemptions no, but do baby a eno nkyere say to ahweye so to twene. Regulation 9 no on road usage no, road use certificate regulation 9 on this same regulation 2519 no, regulation 9 no can be for exemptions cars are exempted from road use certificates. A car soldier for car, post for car, normally are the fire service near the security agencies. No. Apart from say a speed, co speeder, toda money from Hosono. Car na ya no mujusuno. Na what didn't say. A condition at the same. Maybe some say cars na ya mujusuno because of the exemptions. Still on the exemptions, because of exemptions, money cars no one and answer because exempted from road use certificate into just like the ordinary person or not in the demo or do a tie near tie no tie na yes chain now person need but to no near the delay near the no woman nisa or how do they ensure say car no safety condition no intact?
Yeah,
and I say because of the exemptions are in fact, they are state assets. Or minor assets or minor born hooker. Apart from say the government, at the 1 year juma the emphasis bre or minor into a minor born hooker. As I ensure say here they have families also, and it's young person. Even though the regulations give them some exemptions, I was or a bino eshe. Say cars are use no conditions a woman no send it. How often maintenance? How often? Head back here see no I'm saying crack so the STC very good. Bokudia no. Car no a fast swa etimi edani na ni ebe boss SS bus no. Utum said there was something wrong. Ebi onso so negligence eka ho. Se womo kosa no a meka se ye mo exemption a wa hwe na ebe ko trim. Eko won trim ama speed a womo ko no. Sometimes utum say or say I trust my leg. The nice accelerator no so or je car o twini di. Enti or the nice so a onyini na impo. But ye besere it is becoming too many.
Right.
One too many because a bino ebo hoka state resources and the bonka because cars here say a mine a better.
Yeah.
Wait, so say say beyond repairs. It's also buying it all from every government talk new vehicles. Every government call a police station call Roman Hill Honor as some police stations friend. Okosa station honoma. Your cars or honoma police vehicles. In fact, my main cars are all the police stations.
Yeah.
Oko do honoma. Your cars are police vehicles. I won't say. A say si honoma. What condition? Ebi ho crampa. Ebi on the windscreen apai. Near the rubber saying we need si ho. Ebi ho on the tie. Near the yasha say ne si ho. It boils down to the maintenance culture of this country. The maintenance culture. Yama enin kosa ne man who because. A ball mine car, and yes, it will be a dream and I say why corrupt now. What first cabin quan a ball mine car, but Sunny may not can be
Yeah.
Because the government will have to invest. Now, by Bia Baba, now Obeto vehicle, now ebe crash. Say the way CIA, say the Sudan be court, and now police be court because was say buy car. Also buy no, essential eto replace. And the best almost say one more match ye nyajuma. Now, said ye kind of saying police for a share intimate for no. Now, almost conditions be too say the driver no. Government so share now ensure even though the police have no authority say bia omega say wo car no jina na ye hwe nema etisano. Now, by nanka say check mechanism within internal mechanism check mechanisms on be e de abua say the beya some of these accidents are ekokoso no. And again to Timemufo no.
Yeah.
Send an hour cano. Obi on way and he cry or tip pan and he or the cho now no make us say ambulance by will be Umudi Chiha. Can Timnani drive an cho no. No, I am ra and I'm on crying. Whether say Okoto Diana and a girlfriend, so Okoye Dane, so Okoye Dane, I am ra and a man who crying. So you give the person chance. Man opportunity man messing con the baby. Because the person and as a cano emra etachere. To me, so yes, I don't know. But say ye who and I say yen interest be at the Eddie Sard no choir. A bit me do any Eddie about it. Bessere, sir, Timemufon so by ye. Now you say it is the state, Yanka Sankasa, Yenny this are 2 minutes at their security agencies, no. And there's ambulances, no, a banner sirens and opportunities are more say or more buy a beer more money at the adeno. And then 4-wheel drives are, and then Yaka say more sirens now. Still, they are doing it. They are doing it. And no, also say, best say government then an ABC form, post for the on ABC form. And no, I bet you Buama Sani man to try because any pan who say, can't be a best or be a neighbor, pa. Eddie before ever shut him phone.
Yeah.
Eti obi legitimately also a man of crime grandpa. Near sin crime because you who say a koso and can't want them. Tebesre, post before you are doing enough. But monfa monansi from you pa said the bear. Sani menano eto ebetra na going forward no. Yet me save lives. Sa take it here. Video we take it. Also we not as your own.
Maintain say will be a wood.
But we are asking a very
serious. That police in your on there. Yeah, and the corner there. Said you see a Tracy and the unwedding.
You see?
It's true. Jeff, my sending what the BCC part of the regulations, you know. Now, I think we know I got it, but escape me to send it to you 213 no for us to talk about it, especially within Omodi no ntima memfa nka ho 213 no okasa fa reasonable and prudent speed conditions to be observed. That was the most important I think escaped me to send to you. I didn't flash on it. Reasonable and prudent speed conditions to be observed, regulation 213. Enye security for no ko obia ka ho obi aye road user bia regulation 213 say despite say ya mount other regulations are yes speed limits near the ama no speed limit ni kire say bia urban area uko 50 kilometers bia per hour there nemum udu wa the conditions environmental conditions e wo no be kire e bia udu okra na bia na ebo accident den ewum say uko 50 ba wo hunu wanim nti ubeko 50 na esa otu boase it was much less conditions and what environment and so be count or see a person driving a motor vehicle shall drive at a safe and appropriate speed when approaching and crossing an intersection or railroad grade crossing into bia where do baby a kwan ni dia hia esa wo hwani junction so ni ade no wo say yes ko 50 we ya uduru junction so a de na esa wo ye obi uduru ahwem na otwam. No matter what it is, say we siren insisu say we dey insisu no or say it depend on the conditions no it just say we hwe ni ye then omo approaching or say approaching a curve or around the curve ntimi we do roundabout ho no we ko twa roundabout na mo biara se ne car no say we balance papa so ho no so ehu. And the other ones, or also special hazards exist with respect to pedestrian or other traffic or by reason of weather and I can say be a boy senior and road condition be clear quine yet pothole where then will be so bad ben I say be obed dodgy for baby or any cacre on our own so nam but with the speed now no ye mistake amuna obia they are crashing it depend on the conditions a what brea what drew no 213 naka no church all those things no see really you just say to
is it ahokwa when it comes to road
yeah
a significant portion of road accidents in a nipa na cause
yeah
unze senior day nam no can say voice can be brave say benyam ponjini
nipa na etri